Hi guys, welcome to Conscious. So today I just completed the video Scratch project. So you can see there's a few requirements here. So let's dive into my project. This is a rough view. You can see there's a two dinosaur here. There's a red and a green dinosaur. So my head is below the red line. So there will be a green dinosaur and red dinosaur falling down. So what I'm gonna do is using this hand to sweep off. So every time sweep off there's a score will changes. So the red one will be negative. So the green one will be positive one. So basically you are trying not to touch the red one. So you can see there's a timer here. So the timer here is it will run from 0 to 60. Means the game have to complete within 60 seconds. So within these 60 seconds, we'll see how many marks you get. So try to avoid sweeping the red color. Try to slip more to the green color. So let's see how it goes. So the game start right now. You can see it's falling down. Just sweep towards the dinosaur. So if you notice, if I sweep to the dinosaur, it will go slightly go up a bit. So it's like some small effect. So you can see there's animations, the dinosaur. There's two costume. So repeated. So like a forever loop. So so you see different red color and the green color has different voice. So after 60 seconds you can see there's a same falling down effect. So wherever you swing towards the dinosaur, there's no change on the score. So it will show you the average score is 55, just to let the user know, the player know that this is the average score that they should at least get around there or above there. So yeah, basically the, this is the whole game concept. So you can see the once you click on, it will automatically turn the video on here. So we set the transparency to 20. You can set, so these all depend on you. So this thing. So let's plane to the icon here. So there's a few. So this is all the basic icon, all having the same code. So even this line here is also having a normal code. So there's a four slightly complicated code here. So you can see the narrators and the red dinosaur. So narrator is let's view here is slightly better. So you can see there's a change costume animation here. Yeah, it looks like they are talking. So you can see we can set a forever loop here. So I also put music here, but the volume slightly lower. Yeah, okay. So just create some dialogue here to let the player to know how to play this game. Yeah, there's some some dialogue here. So you also can set the dinosaur to text to speech here. You can see. Uh, yeah, there's a delay here because there's a exchange conversations between the green and the red dinosaur. So you can see here, you can play around. You can just do some other voice. Yeah, we also can try to change to different person like the Chinese people. Yeah, it's yeah, you can see the different they put. Yeah, okay. This is the whole code here. There's a change the costume, song, the dialogue. So the narrator two will be almost the same. Change I mean the costume. Yeah, this is the dialogue here. We just exchange this narrator read dinosaur narrators. And that's the additional stuff here. You can see this one. You can put any other any other place, but I just choose to put it here. So once you click this, you automatically open the video. If you are using a laptop, you will just access to your webcam and open it. Yeah, the transparency was set to 20. So this is the seconds. So we have a few variable here. You can see the seconds is like the timer here. I set it to 60, so we can change 50 seconds, 20 seconds. Yeah, we can just set it as a variable here, so we can just use this other places, so we don't need to change one by one. So here we also include a timer, so the timer start from 0. So if I set to 60, it will repeat 60 times, increase by 1, wait by 1 second. It's basically the timer will start from 0 to 60. So after the timer here, you will see the green dinosaur will say the average score is 45. Yeah, this is how we do it. We just wait for put a seconds variable here. Wait for 60 seconds. Then he will say this dialogue here. So basically, it's quite direct here. Now we go to the green dinosaur. So the green dinosaur and the red dinosaur, basically this is +1, this is -1. So the concept both for the dinosaur is almost the same also. So let's take a look on the green dinosaur. So the green dinosaur, basically we have to have a starting point of the score. So you can see the score is also one variable. Set the score into the 0. Set the D1. So D1 we make it because we have around 2 possible way to make it true. So we see later how is it useful here. So we put a forever loop to check here. So if either false or true. So normally 80% is false. That's why the dinosaur fall from the top. So you can see go for a random position. Imagine the dinosaur is here. So we wanted to drop from top to the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we just change the Y plus 250. So no matter here, it will go up here. No matter here, it will go up here. So no matter where is the random position, it will always go up here. So it looks like it will drop from the top. So the dropping now is a dropping. You can see here when we're gonna drop from here, then you will drop again from random position or our hand swing. So basically, there's a two possible scenario that will make the D1 to true conditions. So if they are not true, which is false, they will keep dropping. So if they are true, there are only two ways to make it true. The first one is the user swing towards the dinosaur, the green dinosaur. So basically here is to how to say is to make sure that the dinosaur does not counted after the timer off. So you can see there's a condition here. So imagine the seconds is 60, so -1 is 59. So 59 is always bigger than the timer, but the timer toward the end will be 60. So if 60, you will stop this script, meaning no matter how the user swing, the score will not add on. So if most of the time, like 99%, we will go into this loop because the timer is always smaller than the seconds. So no matter how uh, is it- there's a sound here. You can see there's a sound here. So when the user swing, there's a sound, this sound here. So the user know is a green color or the red color. So when the user swing, the sound will produce and the D1 will set to true. So we put a delay here because I noticed that when my hand is here for quite sometimes, it will add on 2 or 3. So I add a small delay here to change the score by 1. So after the change, this score, we always go to the true already. So we will come to this this section here. 1 is true. So 1 is true, you can see when I swing on here, this tensor will go out, slightly go out a bit. So you can see it's negative 7.5. No, this 7.5 is the dropping. So you can see the y by 20 means 20 is up here. So 7.5 is go down. So once the user swing, it will go up slightly 20. So it's like an effect that you swing towards an object, you will just move out, slightly move out. So this is the first condition that changed to true. The second one is when the dinosaur will fall down onto the line here. So you will direct go to true. So you will slightly move out a bit. So we go to this loop here. So you after that we'll go to the false. Then we'll go again this loop. So we just keep falling, falling, falling. Then people swing will go up, go down, people swing will go up, then go to the random position, or it will go down to the red line and select go out and go to another random positions. So only when the user swing, there's the score 1 here. So for the green dancer, of course. So for the costume, you have 2 animations here. Yeah, it's like falling down. It's a loop here. So at a few seconds here. So you can see here at last the dancer will like begging the player to save them, to help them. So this is the one of the effect. So this is for the green dinosaur, is a slightly different with the red dinosaur. You can see the code is almost the same, just change another variable to D2. So the same, but the sound is slightly different. And you can see here, so the user know you are swapping the green or the red. So the code here is the same, the animation is also the same. You can see the animation is the same. And you can see the last there's a 2 dinosaur, we don't know which one is the user doesn't know starting which one is a plus one or the negative one. So this is the red one is actually the negative one. You can see the score here is -1. So I think basically those are the codes here. Yeah. So, so the fun thing is we're gonna set a timer here. So the timer here is 60. So the user have to complete it within 60 seconds. So after explain the code, we go through the game again to help you guys make sense. You can see the dinosaur is slightly moved out a bit and go to slightly different locations. So if you hit the different color, for example, you got a different sound. It's quite challenge. Okay, see, yeah, you can't add the score anymore. So just let the user know 45 is 44. So I think that's it. Um, this is how I solve the with Giro assignment. So see you guys again. Thanks for watching.